You got this inmate on death row, and he's scheduled to be put to death by firing squad. He doesn't request a last meal or anything special for his final day. As he stands before the firing squad, he says, "Actually, music is my life. One thing I would really like to do before I'm put to death is sing my favorite song." So the guard nods his head solemnly, and the guy starts singing, "A billion bottles of beer on the wall, a billion bottles of beer. You take one down, you pass it." You get it. Welcome, everybody. Sunday, April 23rd. My quote of the day for Sunday: if at first you don't succeed, skydiving isn't for you. The Free Daily Video Atlanta Hawks won yesterday over Washington. Our Free Daily Videos are now 16-4 our last 20 games, 8-1 the last 9 games. I've got my VIP club for the baseball out there. VIP club in the baseball is 15-3 the last 18 games. And I've got it out there for the rest of the season. Now, normally it's a $12.95 value. I'm going to put it out there today for just $9.95. If you buy the baseball VIP package, I will give you the rest of the NBA for free. Pick up the phone, give me a call, 855-TY-GASTON, 855-894-2786, or email me at magiccostarica@aol.com. All right, Sunday, April 23rd, Cleveland's 3.5 over the Pacers in 212.5. Cleveland leads the series 3-0, but they're only 1-2 against the spread. The overs are 3-0. Cleveland's won the last 6 meetings. Indiana's 9-1 against the spread. Their last 10 games. Houston's at Oklahoma City. Oklahoma City's won the total 223.5. Houston leads 2-1, 2-1 against the spread, and 2-1 on the overs. Houston is 11-2 against the spread the last 13 meetings, and Houston is 6-0 against the spread the last 6 in Oklahoma City. Boston's 2.5 over. Yay. That's what I get for telling jokes. Boston's 2.5 over Chicago in 204. Chicago's 7-0 against the spread the last 7 games after a loss. Chicago's 6-0 against the spread the last 6 games after a loss. Utah Jazz are 2.5 over the... That's not funny. Utah's 2.5 over the Clippers at 198.5. The over's 4-1. The last 5 meetings in Utah. LA Clippers are 2-1 in the series, 1-2 against the spread, 2-1 on the unders. Griffin is out for the season for the LA Clippers. Jazz are 6-1 on the unders the last 7 conference quarterfinal games. All right, your free daily video play of the day today is Washington with Scherzer, -150 over the Mets. Play the Nationals over the Mets as your free daily video play of the day. I got to get out of here before I start sneezing. Maybe it's this new shirt. I might be allergic to this shirt. Beautiful, though, ain't it? We'll see everybody bright and early Monday morning. Ciao.